For this week's Caribbean video, let's head on over to Antigua for the latest from Tizzy. This one is called Drop Bombs.
All I do is drop bombs and roll up. The baddest thing you could know about. Hold on the fence and show up. Then break it down like a hold up. Drop bombs and roll up. And the baddest thing you could know about. So if you know I'm mad, just represent with your flag up. Put your hand up, hand up, hand up. Hands in the air, flag up, rag up, flag up. Put anything in your hand up, hand up. And then if they want to know where I'm at, baby I'm from the land of jam. Yes I big and I bold. I don't afraid of soul. If they think they're bad and could test me, it's all of them in a hole. I lose no control. Waste and fall like a scroll. It's crazy blood inside me and I don't care about my soul. I want to see all the hands of all my fans who supporting me. Jump up for me and you cause when I'm passing through. All I do is drop bombs and roll up. And the baddest thing you could know about. Hold on the fence and show up. Then break it down like a hold up. Drop bombs and roll up. And the baddest thing you could know about. So if you know I'm mad, just represent with your flag up. Put your hand up, hand up, hand up. Hands in the air, flag up, rag up, flag up. Put anything in your hand up, hand up. And then if they want to know where I'm at, maybe I'm from the land of jam. Everybody gets in a rage. Let's mash up when I'm on stage. If they stop the show then they pay. We're moving the barricade. Tell them that I don't think I'm ready for all of them. Yes I feel. If they think that them is the it, all of them getting licked. I want to see all the hands of all my fans who supporting me. Jump up for me and you cause when I'm passing through. All I do is drop bombs and roll up. And the baddest thing you could know about. Hold on the fence and show up. Then break it down like a hold up. Drop bombs and roll up. And the baddest thing you could know about. So if you know I'm mad, just represent with your flag up. Put your hand up, hand up, hand up. Hands in the air, flag up, rag up, flag up. Put anything in your hand up, hand up. And then if they want to know where I'm at, maybe I'm from the land of jam. Hey, let's go. Hands in the air, watch my hands in the air. Jump up, jump up. Everybody show me something. Push it, push it up, push it, push it, push it, push it. All I do is drop bombs and roll up. And the baddest thing you could know about. Hold on the fence and show up. Then break it down like a hold up. Drop bombs and roll up. And the baddest thing you could know about. So if you know I'm mad, just represent with your flag up. Put your hand up, hand up, hand up. Hands in the air, flag up, rag up, flag up. Put anything in your hand up, hand up. And then if they want to know where I'm at, maybe I'm from the land of jam. Drop bombs and roll up. And the baddest thing you could know about. Hold on the fence and show up. Then break it down like a hold up. Drop bombs and roll up. And the baddest thing you could know about. So if you know I'm mad, just represent with your flag up. Put your hand up, hand up, hand up. Hands in the air, flag up, rag up, flag up. Put anything in your hand up, hand up. And then if
On February the 14th, actor and broadcaster Christopher Johnny Daly will be hosting the one-man show called Bring Back the Love. Let's hear more about the details.
People who have to come at the one-man show. May I plan a murderous set, comedic set, right now for the people. No, really, I'm not going to kill nobody, but kill them with laughter. You understand? Everybody's been asking me pre this. One-man show, we me one person, you alone. Why don't you watch HBO, don't have no cable? You don't see them something, you don't see one comedian on stage mash up the whole show. Anyway, it's a production, pre this. So we're talking about a production, right? And it's Valentine's night, and we're inviting couples, and we have specials for couples. So the entire production is not just about me. It's about the experience of coming to that kind of show, a stand-up comedy show. And I'm not going to be the only person that graces the stage. When I have some comedic friends who are loved, and them no say, them already tell me, say, there's no way I can keep a show. And them not there on the show. So we have to accommodate, you understand? But this show is personal. So that is why I'm keeping a one-man show. Ticket prices are $1,500 regular tickets, and that's for one person. So it's just $3,000 for you and your person, or you and somebody else. Or you're two single people and you're a friend. That's the kind of energy I want in the room. We also have a special, of course, so two specials, $2,500. They're limited seats. In fact, we have more $1,500 seats because we want more people in there. But these seats are more upfront seats. They're going to be getting some special services. Then we're talking, of course, about the romance package, which includes, of course, parking secured, escort service inside. You have drinks all night, and of course, roses for the ladies. So it is the 14th of February, Valentine's Day, at the Courtly Auditorium. That's in New Kingston. Courtly Auditorium, right next to the Spanish Court Hotel. And of course, you can come there early. 2 shows, 5 and 8 p.m. So Kingston Bookshops, thank you very much. You can get tickets there at all Kingston Bookshops. Also, you can get tickets at Golden Closet in Central Plaza. That's 11A Central Plaza, halfway tree. And of course, Genus Pharmacy in Portmore. They have 2 locations.
Now it's that time of the show where we check out the Magnum Top 10 chart. It's my favorite. Let's see who's number 1.
Yeah, cause some will use it for the money, use it for your fame, use it for the car, and them will use it for your name. Now them will lose with them the pain. And things with them and do are not the same. Cause man see them true colors. Yeah, that's why we lose never. Yeah.
Hello from the other side. I must have called 1,000 times.
Broomstick with suppressor, sativa indica, flyer than a feather. Hey, let me tell you something what you don't know. Me no get a clown like Bozo.
Every bubble we see me as me make them proud. Fresh like water, no grass with no green. Like a prince and princess, kings and queens.
Start it and them a run help you one call. Roberto Carlos hardball. Make the sex so we don't worry you can't wall. Boy skin good and tougher than all wall. When me cell phone there.
When me knock time, me her so she gone with the next man. She a right on another man sing song. In a dance she a wind up to ding dong when me there.
Annabella Pontinella, me no fella. What can you do, Pontinella, me no fella? She a do it too, Pontinella, me no fella. Can you with the man, capella,
Hey boy, let me tell you about real mad dog. Anywhere me go, me carry 3 bad dog. Looking at me and me never mean hot dog. Iron furnace, so the steel hot dog. Say you this cause I don't feel
Me now, where them treat me less than gold. Put me in a box like a rectangle. Oh oh, look at me now. Oh, look at me now. Oh, look at me now. I'm in a
man, shell on the goddamn boy. That's why everybody hate the champion boy. Have a rich gal in the Hamptons boy. The bush never made in the champion boy. Now man, I don't have songsters boy. Fly every week, me and the goddamn boy. Yeah, yeah. Just bust up by a mansion boy. Champion, me and the champion boy. Yeah, yeah. I'm more no name, and me I'm more no fame, and me no need no more driver.
And that's how we pull the curtains down on this week's episode of Predis. I'm your host, Michaela Leana, thanking you for viewing each and every week. Be sure to follow us on all social media at Predis Show. See you next week.
I'm couldn't leave. I'm gonna big up everybody. Yeah, you don't know. Big up my auntie. Wait, no, leave. Big up my Auntie Dell from New York. She love me. Hold on, let me big up some more people. I'm gonna big up my mother. Should I big up my mother first? Big up my mother, Miss Pearl. And she birthed me. Big up, said Miss Pearl. She in Portland. I watch this now. Miss mother, know where yourself now. Make sure you forward. Yeah, I'm gonna do the work for you. You don't know. Say secret. I eat that now. None more people. None more time. Big up on yourself. Love her. Big up the lady. You have a lady the other day at the PMP conference. When Portia called the date them, the lady said, yeah. Which one? On the 5th, the 9th, or the 25th?